They're landmarks of sorts here on Delmarva. You know you're nearing a town when you see its water tower in the distance. But something you might not consider, though, is how do these things stay clean?
That's a good question. Well, today we're answering that question with the crew at Mid-Atlantic Pro Wash. They're utilizing cutting-edge technology to make these structures sparkle and shine. Let's head to Milton with DelmarvaLife's Katie Zerilli to check it out.
Representing the town of Milton, standing tall and proud, you guys know that I love a water tower, and this one here is about to look as good as new thanks to our friends at Mid-Atlantic Pro Wash. It's perhaps the definition of a tall task, washing a water tower, but one that's in no way intimidating to Cody Whaley and his crew, because they've got the technology to tackle it.
We specialize in aerial cleaning solutions. We utilize drone technology to clean things at heights.
Yeah, you heard him right. They're using a drone. Tools they've added not just because they're nifty. Cody says for this area especially, they're necessary.
We knew there was a need for it around here with all the high rises and high structures, above ground storage tanks, water towers, things like that.
Truly, these are game changers for a few reasons. 1, they're cost effective. 2, they're time efficient. And 3, and most importantly, they keep everyone safe.
We don't believe in putting our people at harm's way. We don't want our people on high ladders, on lifts, on roofs, anything like that. So there's a lot of benefits, but safety mainly.
If you're anything like me, you're wondering, okay, how does the process work? Here's the step-by-step rundown.
We use a soft wash application with it. So we already went up, we pre-wet the structure, and then we apply our detergents. And the detergents do a lot of the work. A lot of work goes down here on the ground with the guys and stuff like that. And then after dwell time, we come back and we rinse it.
And here's a little behind the scenes fact for you. All of us who were watching the drone do its thing had to stand far away from the operation so as to not get soaked. Yeah. This thing's powerful. For this company, choosing to embrace this equipment is crucial.
If we don't, somebody else will. I mean, that's just the bottom line. Drones are, it's a part of our future. It's a part of our lives. It's a part of our kids' lives, our children's lives. It's only going to, become more relevant and just normal. We just want to get everybody excited about it like we are. Maybe work with some of the local schools and youth and show kids about technology and what the future holds.
These pros handle projects of all shapes and sizes. Mid-Atlantic Pro Wash performs every other kind of exterior cleaning, too.
We do residential houses, we do commercial buildings, we do hotels, we do high rises, we wash residential roofs, we do paver restorations, residential paver restorations, commercial paver restorations, you name it. I mean, if it's exterior, we can handle it. There's no project we can't, too big or too small.
And don't worry, they're probably not bringing the drone to your house.
We use a soft wash application. It's low pressure, high volume wash is what it is. It's protecting, your most valuable investment, your home. You don't want somebody sitting there blasting pressure at it. So we don't, we use a soft wash application.
And doing the applying, a team you can trust.
Those guys are rock stars, all the way down to the people in our office. We have an all-star team.
One that's passionate about the services they provide.
And that's how we clean 90% of everything.
Mid-Atlantic Pro Wash, making the world a cleaner place.
And if this shiny structure is any indication, I'd say they're doing their job.
And Cody says they toured multiple drone manufacturers in order to choose the very best. Now, if you're interested in any kind of services from Mid-Atlantic Pro Wash, all you've got to do is give them a call. We've got their contact information on DelmarvaLife.com.
Never thought about a drone to wash.
I know, using drones for everything.
Makes sense.